Welcome back. In this part, we will do validation check for our login activity. So go to this main activity, and inside our main activity and inside our button login set on click listener, we need to add two string variable. So string email is equal to email dot get text dot to string dot trim string pass is equal to find view by password dot get text dot to string dot trim. Now if text utils dot is empty email and email dot set error, and we can call it required field and return. If text utils dot is empty pass, so password dot set error not get error, we need to add set error, and we can choose required, we can call it required field